Meaning of hanger-on.
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 Hanger-on. The term hanger-on refers to a person who attaches themselves to a group or individual in the hope of gaining some kind of benefit, such as access to social status, financial gain, or some other form of advantage. This is typically done without contributing much value or making any significant contribution to the group or individual they are associated with. Hanger-ons are often viewed negatively as being opportunistic and insincere. In short, a hanger-on is someone who latches onto others for their own personal gain, without offering much in return.